What's up, guys? It's Frankie from Frankie Tech, and I'm giving you just a quick overview here of the Xiaomi Mi 8. I literally just bought this bad boy on the streets of Hong Kong. Here we are. There's Hong Kong in the background there. Yeah, that's a sex shop, all right. Anyway, showing you guys this amazing phone. Just got it, and just giving you a quick overview of some of the experiences so far I've had with it. I've had this phone for I'd say about 10 minutes so far. So I'm living this new experience with you guys, and God, look at that screen, guys. That is a gorgeous screen. Honestly, being someone who's enjoyed Apple phones most of my life, I've delved into Android over the last 4 or 5 years. I love my Pixel phones. I loved my Nexus phones before that. But God, I gotta tell you, Android, especially Xiaomi, is just killing it recently with their phones. Now, looking at, the thing I was majorly curious about, what software is running on this phone. And you see it right there, 8.1, baby. Android Oreo. So Xiaomi is really listening to their fans. They're really putting a lot of effort into giving the latest and greatest in terms of software updates and launch software for phones. So this Mi 8 is running, it is literally running the latest software, which is awesome. I'm looking at just the interface so far. It's looking amazing. You see there's definitely the infrared scanner going off, because this phone, as you can see, in terms of ergonomics at least, it is a pretty sizable phone, but very comfortable to use considering it's 6-point, as it said on the specs there, 6.21. Let me just double check here. I think, if I wasn't mistaken, there it is, 6.21 inch screen. That is a big screen for you guys to just view anything you want on. The beauty about the phones in Hong Kong, especially because the ones in China don't do this, your vendors in Hong Kong will include the Google Play Store. So I'm already running the Google Play Store here, and I'm about to go in and I'm going to go and download every single important app that I need. I'm going to need my Facebooks, my Instagrams, my YouTubes. I'm going to need all those important apps when I use this phone. But honestly, just first off impressions, this phone is pretty awesome. And I gotta say, in terms of just responsiveness, in terms of speed, it is really great. So can't wait to share more, more about the Xiaomi Mi 8, more about other phones that I've missed. I have been out of action, guys, for a long time. I would love to finally start getting more into just this channel and kind of getting more into the phones that I'm experiencing. I really think there's an opportunity here for sharing phones with you guys, the latest phones, in a really kind of cool and kind of off-the-cuff manner. So this is Frankie's Street Tech Reviews, signing off. See you guys later.